Now here they tell us to simplify, right? They tell us to simplify this one. Now here you can see, when you look here, you need to feel, you need to get to mind this thing, but this is we can factorize, right? Normally when you have this type of expression, you need to know what are the situation we can factorize. This is the one of common situation. We have difference of 2 square, so we can factorize here. That means first one you have already square, then you must have minus sign, then this part you can make as a square again. That's why we call difference of 2 square. So here square minus then 4 mean I could write 2 square, right? So now square minus square. So now you can write what the directly factors for these two, what the x minus 2 and x plus 2, like that. This is the this is, I have already discussed how why we tell like this, and why these two become factors of this. When you simplify this, you will get this thing. When you simplify, right, when you simplify this one, you will get this answer. You know how to simplify this type of two bracket, right? Anyway, now for this one we can replace this answer, because this is equal to this. That's the basic idea. This is, you can make like this, right? So for this one I will replace this, right, because these two equal, right? That's the thing. So I will write 2x. I will not write x square minus 4, x minus 4. For that I will write this thing, but the x minus 2 and x plus 2, right? This one. Then here this part same way I will write x plus 2, right? Then now you will feel here we need to make same denominator. No, when you have normally fraction, algebraic fraction or numerical fraction, doesn't matter, you need to make same denominator, right? Or get the LCM, normally we call. So here x plus 2 we need to have here x minus 2. Then this denominator and this denominator will be equal. Here we have x plus 2, and extra thing what there, here we have x minus 2 also. So I need to here x minus 2 also. So that's why I will put here x minus 2. By x minus 2 I multiply. In a fraction, numerator and denominator both you can multiply same thing. So here what I did, this fraction I will multiply by x minus 2, and numerator also you need to multiply by x minus 2. That's the idea. Now we have same denominator. Look here, x minus 2, x plus 2. Here also x plus 2, x minus 2. Same thing, no? Now we can put only one denominator, right? Because these both denominators are same. So here will be x minus 2 and x plus 2, right? We have here same denominator. That's why we can write only one denominator now. Then here value 2x same way, but here this is the thing I have already teach you this thing, but when you have in between two algebraic fraction minus sign, very carefully, this minus sign if you thought belong to this one, that's the best way. Then you can simplify this is easily. Now here minus 1, I will think here minus 1. By minus 1 I need to multiply this both number. Minus 1 into x, so it will be minus x. Minus 1 into minus 2, it will be plus 2, right? Try to understand this sign. I thought it belonged to this one. I need to think like that. This is like minus 1. Minus 1 into x, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, like that. Then here 2x minus x mean, actually here basic idea, 2x minus 1x, like that. Here 1 now we have. So just x mean here 1. So 2x minus 1x mean x. X plus 2. This 2 will come same way. So here in the denominator you have x minus 2 and x plus 2. Now you will feel here in the numerator we have x plus 2, denominator x plus 2. So this 2 you can cancel out, cut off. Then here actually here can cut mean how many x plus 2 are there in x plus 2? It's 1. How many x plus 2 are there in x plus 2? 1. So here basically we have numerator has 1, right? Remember that. Some forgot 1 here. Just they write x minus 2 has answer. No, this is in numerator, no. 1. If you get 1, when you have simplified this type of question, if you get 1 in denominator, you can skip it. But when you get in numerator, you can't. You must write 1 here and then x minus 2 in the denominator. So this is the final answer, right? Remember that.